y equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square plus tan inverse 3x minus 4x cube by 1 minus 3x square minus tan inverse 4x minus 4x cube by 1 minus 6x square plus x power 4. Then find dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. So given problem is this one. First simplify that function by using the trigonometry. Okay, listen. Put x equal to tan a. Put x equal tan a. So y equal to, put x equal to tan a. Y equal to tan inverse 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Second one, tan inverse 3 tan a minus 4 tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a minus tan inverse 4 tan a minus 4 tan cube a by 1 minus 6 tan square a plus tan power 4a, tan power 4a. Put x equal to tan a. This is a tan 2a formula. This is a tan 3a formula. This is a tan 4a formula. So y equal to tan inverse tan 2a, tan inverse tan 3a, tan inverse tan 4a. Tan was cancelled. 2a plus 3a minus 4a. 2a plus 3a, 5a. 5a minus 4a. So y equal to 1a. A value tan inverse x. Y equal to tan inverse x. This is a trigonometry. Tan inverse x. Y equal to tan inverse x. So differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Next, given f of x equal to sin inverse under root x minus beta by alpha minus beta. G of x equal to tan inverse under root x minus beta by alpha minus x. Then show that f dash x equal to g dash x. F dash x equal to g dash x. F dash x equal to g dash x. All of you listen. Let f of x equal to a equal to sin inverse x minus beta by alpha minus beta. So sin a value under root x minus beta by alpha minus beta. Take a right angle triangle A. Opposite side. This is a P, Q, let it be theta. A, B, C. Opposite side under root x minus beta, hypotenuse alpha minus beta. Using the Pythagoras law, calculate BC square. So from the Pythagoras law, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. AB square, root 2 square cancel. X minus beta. We want BC square. AC square, root 2 square cancel. Alpha minus beta. Both sides. Beta cancel. Minus beta cancel. So BC square equal alpha minus x. So BC value under root alpha minus x. So this is the adjacent side. So from this triangle, calculate tan theta. Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side under root x minus beta by under root alpha minus x. Therefore, theta equal to tan inverse x minus beta by alpha minus x. Given this is a g of x and this is a f of x. Given this is g of x and this is f of x. So differentiate with respect to x. F dash x equal to g dash x. F dash x equal to g dash x. G dash x. By using the Pythagoras law, we calculate first BC square under root alpha minus x. From this triangle, tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side. So theta equal to tan inverse this one. Given this value is g of x and theta is nothing but f of x. So differentiate on both sides. F dash x equal to g dash x. This is a very important problem.